Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe emails from Yahoo. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser and get logged into your Yahoo account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Make sure that you are inside your inbox. Now you can unsubscribe from most of the types of emails on Yahoo, but remember that you won't be able to unsubscribe from notifications that keep you informed of changes to your account or Yahoo services. In order to unsubscribe from a particular email, open the email that you'd like to unsubscribe. For example, let me go and click on this email over here. Once you do that, scroll all the way at the bottom of this page and you'll be able to see an option that says unsubscribe. Give it a click and click on the unsubscribe now button as it takes you to a new website. Soon after you do that, you can easily unsubscribe from unwanted emails on Yahoo. That is how it can be done. But remember that you won't be able to unsubscribe from updates on service outages, notifications of privacy change, notifications of terms of service change, billing notifications, and welcome messages you receive when you sign up for a Yahoo product or service. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.